guys, welcome to another day with another vlog. So today we all are come at Veer Mata Jijabai Bhosle Udyan and Zoo.
It's also known as Rani Bagh. It's located at Baikala.
Okay, so this Baikala Zoo is actually 50 acres and it's very huge. Let's go.
I used to come here often when I was small with my dad. It's been very long that I haven't come here, and also it was closed for almost a year due to lockdown. Let's see what are the animals they have brought in. What's different?
The queue right now for the ticket. So we are done rooming the ticket and it is 50 rupees for adults and 25 rupees for kids. So we are entering the zoo.
This is the best angle we could capture.
Yeah, see, it's coming home. See, wow, beautiful.
Oh wow. You know white is brown.
Mud bath.
Royal Stag. Not a drink.
Anybody knows what's a hippo called in Hindi? Pani Ghoda. So huge, man.
That's what she said.
I guess it's coming out. Such comments won't be appreciated, Ronan.
World's most dangerous animal, human being.
Real, I guess.
Guys, it is a sloth bear. So damn cute though.
Go, play with it.
It's so huge.
Look at his claws.
Wadli painting is a form of tribal art originated in Maharashtra.
You wanna say? It's beautifully done.
The carnivorous section.
Okay.
We get to see leopard and the tiger, jackal and hyena. Come on.
Yippee.
This is what we could capture. Sorry for the camera quality.
marking his territory.
We're heading towards the aquatic bird section. This is the aquatic bird section. Initially they used to allow people to go inside. It's like a huge aviary for aquatic birds. I believe due to COVID they have restricted this. But very soon they're gonna start letting people go and we will give you a tour of it. We can actually go there. You'll see the painted stroke over here as well as on top. I'm not sure whether it's quite clear, but yes, y'all can watch our previous video on Bandu pumping station. That will give you all a better view of the painted stroke and other aquatic birds as well. Hey guys, so we are done with the tour of the zoo and it took us roughly around 3 hours to cover the entire area. As we see that there's still a lot of places under construction, and since the last time I visited here, there are many changes and it's really good.
Yes, they have actually done it really well. We had come, I guess, 1 year before, and the change from that 1 year is really good.
It's drastic changes.
It is amazingly done.
They have added new collections like tiger, leopard, jackal. We spotted the jackal, but we were unable to capture it in our camera though.
Yes, Ronan?
This was my first time coming over here. It was a good experience. I liked it, but even if the birds we would be able to see, it would be much better.
That's well said. Actually, there is an aquatic bird session. I believe that is under construction as well. So we will be coming here again, and for that you'll have to stay tuned for the part 2. I would like to conclude that though we enjoyed watching animals in the zoo, I personally feel that zoo is the only place where the prisoners are kept behind bars in enclosures without committing any crimes. So
correct.
Yes, it's always a pleasure watching the animals, wild animals in their natural habitat. So yeah, bye guys.